to complete. It means He is able to bring you into full maturity. He is able to make you full grown. What is begun, He is able to complete.
Get ready, because you are in for the next combat. Struggling, struggling, struggling. I don't have a good message for you today, but I want to help you that you take off the mask and become real with yourself and tell the Father the truth and say, Lord, I am struggling. Help me. Help me, Lord. I am struggling. Help me, Lord.
Tell them it's time to shout like they never shouted before.
I know what I'm talking about. Shout for your breakthrough. Shout for your blessing. Shout is a miracle. Shout. 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 It's a miracle. It's a shout.
In 'n plek in my lewe waar ek wil losbreek en niks en niemand gaan my terughou nie. I'm at the place in my life where my limitations that has been set upon my life is about to come down. That devil is a liar. I came to declare that tonight is your